I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Good morning, my name is Cassidy Siren and welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I am recreating a Dua Lipa look that she wore on SNL. It's a Valentino look and she wore this to perform Levitating. You guys chose this one. I put a poll up on Instagram and it was between Taylor Swift and Dua Lipa won, obviously. It was between this dress and it was 60-40, so the Valentino look won, which I absolutely love. Thank you for choosing this one. I was debating making the other outfit as well, but that might be for another video. A little personal, I honestly never thought that I could make such elaborate and elegant dresses just from things that people told me in college and like whatnot, whatever. But after my tulle dress, I just loved it. So I'm gonna keep going. If you guys want to help me choose what I make next, head over to my Instagram and help me do that. I really enjoyed this. I like the fact that you guys got to pick this too. I dissected the outfit as well and they definitely used a pleating machine, which I don't have and I don't have access to it, but I'm gonna do different methods that are extremely similar. A hat, no promises, but I'm gonna try my best. I definitely used ostrich feathers and I personally don't want to use real feathers. There's definitely alternatives, so if I can find some and good ones, and the hat is in the thumbnail, and that means I made the hat. But if not, I apologize. I'm sorry. I definitely tried. I'm really excited about this one, so let's get started. I started off going to my local thrift shop to see if they had curtains because the fabric Valentino used, I'm 99% sure it is chiffon, which is expensive and on a budget, and to my luck they had some. I bought 3 and used them all. I also bought a hat to use as the base for the hat Dua Lipa wore on stage, which was also Valentino haute couture. When I went back home, I laid out the cotton voile, which is a lightweight, super drapable fabric, to make sure that it would work, and honestly it was perfect. Even the transparency was spot on. I had to seam rip the curtains to separate the cotton voile, and if you're wondering why I'm sitting like that against my wall, it's because I lean over a lot when I'm working and it's painfully straining to my body, so any chance I get to sit up straight, I am taking it. I threw the curtains in the washer, let them dry overnight, and took this eventful decoration off of the hat. I kept the Miss MSS embroider on because I figured it took someone a while to do, and it was gonna get covered anyway, so I wasn't too worried about it. So I did 3 different methods. I did gathering right here, but in a lengthily one, and it kind of gives off the same vibes, but it's not as tiny. If it looked like the tiny ones right here, that would be better, but it doesn't. And then I tried little mini pleats right here. That gives off a better vibe, but it's not stable. Like these can easily pop out. So I think I'm gonna go with this one since I don't have an actual pleating machine, which is just gathering, and there's 3 different rows. So it comes out with these little, what almost looks like pleats. Like it looks pretty similar. The pleats on here are a lot thinner and these are more thick. And I think this is my best bet. Most of this dress was spent with me basting, gathering, and sewing it. Genuinely, that's 90% of the dress. So enjoy me being in the zone. Okay, I finished gathering. I'm gonna see what it looks like up on my body to see if I actually want to stick with this. Long story short, I ended up liking it and went back to work. I was very much so in a Banks mood throughout the entire time creating this, and I'm still listening to her now. She's fantastic. This is me just jamming out. The gathering process was really delicate because if I didn't do it little by little, the thread would snap and I would have to start over, which was saddening. I made the pattern to the top and then added tiny pleats to give it the same effect that's on the Valentino dress, and I ironed those pleats in place. Finished the top. I just have to sew it on and then fix these right here, my little so that they actually go all the way up. And then I'm going to attach this to the bottom half of the dress, and this is gonna come in a little more. I don't have the back on. I mean, it's looking pretty good. If I'm being honest, I was kind of worried about it before. I just cut this slit. Ignore my socks, but so pretty. I feel like it's gonna look fine with the hat. I still need to do this, but I literally look like a witch. I mean, I don't hate it. I definitely look like I should be a part of the Addams family. But now I gotta put all of these babies and glue them onto here. Do I look like I'm dying? We almost fall.